Hello all, welcome to Krako's video series. Today in this video, I am going to explain you 25 important physics questions that are helpful for your examinations which are having general awareness as one of its sections. Before getting into the video, I would like to explain you about the mock tests we are providing. We are providing latest pattern mock tests for both SSC, CGL and CHSL. We are providing sectional and also full mocks. For rupees 199 each. We are also providing 2 free mocks. Please do Google search Krako's SSC, CGL and CHSL mocks and enroll for these mock tests for your better practice and best score. Let us see the first question now. In which medium velocity of sound is maximum? Velocity of sound is maximum in metals. Velocity of sound is velocity of sound in vacuum is less than velocity of sound in gas, in medium of gas is again less than in medium of liquid, and then it is less than in solids. Therefore, this is the range of velocity of sound in different mediums. Velocity of sound is vacuum is less than in medium of gas, again is less than liquids, is less than solids. Let us see the next one. Decibel is used to measure the intensity of. Decibel is used to measure the intensity of sound. What is the valley, that is the lowest portion of a sound wave, called as? The lowest portion of a sound wave is called as trough, and the highest portion is called as, that is the peak portion is called as crest. The ozone layer protects us from ultraviolet rays. On increasing the temperature of solids, the kinetic energy of the particles becomes what? Within the increase of the temperature, the particles gain kinetic energy and vibrates faster and more strongly. Therefore, the kinetic energy of particles increases. The forbidden gap between the conduction band and the valence band in an insulator is, insulators have large difference between the conduction band and valence band in order of electron volts. Therefore, the forbidden gap between conduction band and valence band in an insulator is larger when compared to conductors. Which particles do not have effect on electric and magnetic fields? Gamma particles are the particles which are not having any effect on electric and magnetic fields. Let us see the next one. What are the 3 main lubricants used in moving parts of a machine? The 3 main lubricants are oil, grease and graphite. The process of attempting to obtain sensitive information such as usernames and passwords, often for malicious reasons, by portraying as a trustworthy company in an electronic communication is called as, it is called as phishing. A rectifier converts alternating current into direct current. Rectifier converts AC to DC and DC to AC is inverter. Inverter converts DC to AC. The sun and the stars glow because of the presence of dash in them. The sun and the stars glow because of the presence of plasma in them. Plasma is an extremely hot state of matter which continuously emits the radiation in the form of light and other energies. What did Archimedes determine after discovering the Archimedes principle? Archimedes determined the purity of gold in king's crown after discovering the Archimedes principle. The process of taking food into a body is called as, ingestion. It's not digestion, it is ingestion. Friends, Krako is providing latest pattern mocks for SSC, CGL and CHSL. Please do visit our website krako.in and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. We are providing sectional mocks and also full mocks. We are providing 2 free mocks for both the examinations. Please to check out these mocks and practice every day. Repetition of sound produced by reflection of sound waves is called as? It is called as an echo. Due to the repeated reflection at the reflecting surface, the sound gets prolonged and this is called as reverberation or echo. Why is weightlessness experienced while orbiting the earth in spaceships? Because of zero gravity. Which of these does not have optical lens? Stethoscope does not have optical lens. According to Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, dash and momentum cannot be determined accurately at the same time. According to this principle, position and momentum cannot be determined accurately at the same time. Which among the following fundamental forces is the weakest force? Gravitational force is the weakest force among all these forces. We wonder why, because even though gravity holds planets, solar systems, stars and even galaxies together, but it is said to be the weakest force among all the fundamental forces, especially at the molecules and atomic scales. What is the range of frequency for infrared radiation? The range of frequency for infrared radiation is 30 GHz to 430 THz. If a pendulum is allowed to oscillate in vacuum, its time period will remain same because the formula for the time period in a pendulum is T is equals to 2 pi root L by G. In vacuum it will not change because there is no change in the gravity. Which substance has the highest heat capacity? Hydrogen has the highest heat capacity. The center of curvature of a convex mirror is? The center of curvature of a convex mirror lies behind the mirror and the center of curvature for the concave mirror lies in front of the mirror. A moving electrical charge produces? A moving electric charge produces both electric field and magnetic field. A stationary charge produces only electric field. Let us see the last question now. American physicist and the only person to win Nobel Prize in Physics twice in 1956 and 1972 is? He is John Bardeen. He invented transistor. Hope you liked the video. Hope these questions are helpful for your preparation. Please do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notification. And also you can download the previous papers of SSC CGL and CHSL. These are available in our website cracku.in. Always referring previous papers is the best strategy for the preparation of the examination, because we can know how exactly the pattern of the paper will be in the main examination. So never neglect practicing the previous papers and never neglect taking mocks. If you have any queries, you can tell me through the comment section, and any suggestions regarding the video you can tell me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.